Hi there, this week's question is, can a virus hack your online accounts? My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and we're going to make this episode super easy. Computers and mobile devices are all prone, without exception, to vulnerabilities that can be exploited in the form of malware and viruses. Depending on the kinds of vulnerabilities, viruses and malware can take over your device, access data, listen in on all communication, and copy files including session cookies. So the answer to can a virus hack your online accounts is in fact real, because it can take all the information that it wants from any of your devices. And since malware can take over all of your devices no matter what, because all programming is prone to error and therefore prone to vulnerabilities, it is important for us to do three things. 1. Scan your device regularly. 2. Update all your devices regularly. And 3. Use three-factor authentication to prevent such things from occurring. While it's not 100% foolproof, it will at least mitigate the risks and reduce the amount of times a virus can hack your online accounts. I hope that helps. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways to subscribing, and use a contact form to email me directly. And of course, you can watch me at twitch.tv/zaxis1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.